Inbound, Calvin to Aris. Aris to JC. JC, naghahanap ng kakampi, ba't wala raw siyang kakampi? Atakihin na lang niya, 2 points. Two-step fouled by Ernest. 2 free throws for JC. 20-point ball game. Si Jojo, hindi na kumukuha ng picture. Nagko-coach na lang. 2 first free throw is good by JC. Second free throw is also good.
Wali 2 fouls
Kevin. Home alone. For the door. Libre yung si Kevin. Wally. Stolen by Aris. Aris attacking. Saktan mo na yan. 2 points by Aris. Sasagot sa akin na ako eh. Kevin to Ponador. Ponador for 3. Wala. Dropping to Wally. 2 points wala. Rebound by Kevin.
Let's go, Kino Wally!
7-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. 2 points couple. Air ball game. Rian bringing on the ball. Rian giving it to Calvin. Calvin dinudumog. JC dinumog rin. Ernest, sa kanya lang daw yan. Rebound by Ponador. 30, ako naman din titira sa board. Wally rebound, block, foul by JC. Substitution.
Second personal. Pangalawa ni JC.
Pogi ng lakad din oh. Kala mo mananalo. Ferdy naka-stockings. Nagkukunwaring tumitira. Wally naka-knee support for last free throw. Wala. JC naka-knee support din. The supplier. Kaliwa daw. Kaliwaan lang daw pag nag-supply. Passing it to JC. Oh my God. Libre. J. 2 points. Assist by Rian. May bola. Kaninong bola to?
Goal. Support.
Thank you for the golf ball.
Ilan daw yung JC? Stop. Ilan daw po yung JC? Dalawa.
Drop pass to Wally. Was foul.
Mura niyo yung pangalan. Wala yun.
Substitution. Burger for Ernest. Last free throw is not good. Rebound kay Ponador na naman. Palpal na lang by JC Bandalan. 3 points converted by yung palpal. Hindi na convert. Rebound by Burger. Ferdy. Nag-practice ng shooting yan. Ponador, ng dalawang isip. Binigay kay Jay. Libre. Kaso lasing pa rin. Rebound by Wally. Wally, binigay kay Ferdy. Libre sa 3. Bang! Ito na ang shoot.
He's on fire!
Iba talaga pag battle for third. Walang kakaba-kaba. JV for 3, Binawi!
Let's go, Mike!
Porado, tumatakbo na naman. Oy! Traveling! May kasamang maleta. The number 1 in traveling. Podador. Calvin to JV. JV to Calvin. Calvin to Supplier. Supplier to Ursula to JV. Another 3. The streak is not good. Rebound by Jay. Jay, kaya ko to 1-on-1. Burger lang yan. 2 points. Jay. Jay, naghaharap ng kaibigan. Nakakita ng kaibigan. Si Wally, ang kanyang kaibigan. Pinasahan siya for 3. Tigil mo na yan. Pang first half lang yata yun.
Pag tira bumababa bigla. Siyempre, ano gusto mo tumambay? Diretso eh. Tama naman na, tira baba. Iba nga yung baba na yun. Hindi mo tumama ng limit.
Jay, yung nakipag 1-on-1 kanina, bigyan to Supplier. Rian at Tonggero, 1-on-1. Give it to Jay. Jay na naman. Jay, fade away. Wala. Porador, rebound. Porador to Jay. Jay. Tinamaan ng tiyan. Huwag nyo gagayahin yung kids. Pag nagpalaki kayo ng tiyan, tatama talaga yung bola. Arlo, naghahanap. Last shot daw, sabi ni Boss Marion. Kaso, sabi ni Jay, hindi, ayoko. Foul. Penalty. It's a bad foul.
Si Jay Chico. Second.
First free throw is good by Wally. Wally 79. Shoes by Giannis. Shoes Kuday. 2 points. It's not good. 3 seconds. Foul again. Oh my God. It's a bad foul. Penalty.
Pep, sining call yung uli. Yung uli yung sining call. Tikson. Third personal. Score ba? May quarter yan. Total score ano ka? Ano to pag nag-penalty? Oh, yun yung team rules.
Ernest to JC. JC 2 points na airball. Arlo hahabol. Arlo. 2-point shot. Pinalpal ng lead.
Let's go, guys!
Ernest crossing over. Walang bantay for two.
Oh my God.
Sarin lang.
Nate!
Kanlas. JC. Lahat ng kakampi niya nandun. Sana lang daw drive. 2 points. 2 points for JC. 15 na lang yan. Obra. Obra manipapkol. Fortune. Fortune to Obra manipapkol. Fortune. Arlo. Parang walang gana. Arlo, kay Calvin na may gana. Sobra yung gana. Fortune attacking. Fortune. Dropping it to Obra mani popcorn. Wala. Rebound by Obra. Wala pa rin. No look pass to Wally. Good deed by Marion.
Shot clock 7.
Shot clock 7 seconds. Wally looking for JC. JC 2 points. Board lang. Sobra. Rebounded by Arlo. Fast break to Calvin. Ibababa niya ang lamang 2. 15 points. Obra. Obra. Crossover to Ernest. Ernest. Si Fergie. Ay, lakas. Lakas naman talaga. 8 3-point shots by Fergie. Ang hari ng Ezel Cup.
Ezel Cup MVP. Wally Cruz.
Hindi namin pwedeng i-award yung MVP Ezel Cup mo na wala si Ezel ah. Andiyan ba si Ezel? Andiyan ba? Ibang Ezel yan, hayop ito. Hayop. Hindi ako gagawin. Ano ko mga pinagsaya, sabi nyo. JC, first free throw is not good. Si Jenstin nga, nakita ko eh. Second free throw is also not good. Rebound by Arlo. Dropping it to JC. Assist and rebound by Arlo to JC for 2 points. Kevin running for the door. Fergie, attempt ulit. Wala na. Fortune, di ba kaya si Fergie lang gumagawa? 2 points for Fortune. Ursua. Ursua to JC. JC attacking. Kala ko wala pang tao. Foul by Wally. 4 foul for Wally. Kakanta ko ng graduation song. Ten, 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 ten. Iba pala yun. 2 free throws for JC.
Finals.
Ayun. Unang kulog. Narinig na namin.
Papunta na.
Second free throw is good. At least natapos natin yung battle for third. Bod. Ernest. Ernest. Naghahanap. Napapasahan. 10 seconds. Wally. Jump shot na lang niya. Kaso rebounded by the smallest guy in earth. Ay, on court pala. Rebounded by Fortune. Tuhod ni Fortune. Turnover si Fortune.
Rebound sa turnover.
Calvin passing it to JC. Ganda naman ng pasang yun. Peke. 2 points. 3 foul. Call out. Call out. 30. Wally. Gusto niya si ano na lang, 30. Trade. Pwedeng trade.
Ilang pulls lang.
Malayo pa, 6 minutes.
First free throw is good. Tandaan nyo, kami, hinabol kami niyan. Don't look now. Second free throw is good. See, back to 15. A manageable lead. Haras. Parang ginagawa ni Kevin sa mga kaaway niya ng haharas. Podador for 3. Hindi sumut. Sa korte na kayo magreklamo. Sa barangay na kayo magreklamo. Kevin, the attempt to steal, not good. Calvin to Arlo. Arlo, akin to. Atake ko yan. 2 points for El Presidente. Ayan na. Ayan na. 13 na lang. Don't lose na. Ano kayo sa PBA? Don't look now. Nag-gang ba? Yakap.
Nag-3 yung foul.
Don't look now. A 13-point ball game. Podador. Nakita si Ernest libre. Ernest jump shot. Bam! Back to 15. Here we go again. Calvin attacking, dropping to the two-hod of Arlo. Turnover Calvin. Steal by 30 for 3.
Pizza yung pizza!
Ika-crop ko yan.
Time out!
Ika-crop ko yan.
Time out to ah. Time out, time out!
Gagawin kong wheels yan, wheels. Ulit-ulitin ko. Reels of GIF, pili ka na lang.
Minus 10,000.
Time out, white team, black team, 15-point ball game.
Time out na sila. Dalawa na to. Second half, try na lang time. Mark, pasab. Siya lang ako. Joy, ka muna mag-anak. Wala makakawa. Ilan ba? First school foul? Isa pa lang? Second. 190. 190. Ping foul.
Kevin Bandigue for 2, assisted by Podador. JC Bandalan for 2.
Mahaba pa, mahaba pa.
10 seconds shot clock. Third personal foul on number 79, JC Bandalan.
Shot clock 10. Rebound by Bantigue. 10 to shoot. 3 seconds violation. Sabret. Rebound by Pudador.
Pudador. Stolen by wala. Pudador. To Kevin. Kevin jump shot. Not good. Pudador. Rebound again. Ferdy. Driving. Passing it to Kevin. Kevin. Passing it to Pudador. 5-second shot clock. 3-point shot. Top post. 2 points by Puddy.
Bantigue.
3 minutes remaining for the goal game. Blocking foul by Bantigue. Orlo driving to his jump shot. That's his game. 2 points for El Presidente. Ernest crossing over. Ernest attacking. Ernest giving it to Kevin. Kevin giving it to Asri Barde. Assist by Kevin. Puro PMO naglalaro sa white team. Foul. Team penalty. And 59.
Malapit. Wala na ako mapaglagay ng rebound niya.
Kevin giving it to Pudador, getting it back.
If you see the access
3 seconds violation for Baby Burger. Turnover for Baby Burger.
Kumuha ni Harms eh.
Technical for Bantigue. Mga Kevin talaga nagte-technical eh. Delaying the game. Sige. The supplier is subbed out for Aris. Ursua for the technical free throw. My God, it's an off night for their team. Samya is in the court. Samya gagawa ng 20 rebounds mamaya. 10 reklamo. Uy, block by Alvin. Ferdy for 3. Nakakasampu ba yan? Hindi pa sila nakakasampu. Okay, sasampu ko yan.
Last two.
Hindi ko alam. Alvin, attacking. Pushing. Ayan na si Alvin. Reverse is not good. Ayun na. Tomador. The Tomador is in the house. Fortune. Block shot, but rebound and put back by Pudador.
Block shot, JC.
Alvin, 2 points.
Oras!
Ferdy.
Tira, big!
Bang! The Asian Cup MVP.
10 times.
Wala 6.
Ay!
Aris. Aris to Calvin Palpal. Block by Polador. Ferdy. Ano, sasampu. Angel got MVP. Ay, wala. Isa pa. Kanya na lang daw. Para makompleto yung 10. Ayaw. Kailangan may bantay. Bantayan ko konti. Jay. Giving to Arlo. Uy, kayo. Ay. 2 points for Calvin. Assist by Arlo. Kevin.
Shot ito!
Uy, tingin mo kay Ferdy. Para mga 10. Arlo, ayaw pagbigyan. 2 points by Arlo. Steal and 2 points by Arlo.
Last shot!
Fortune, alam ko nakangati ka mga tumira ng 3. 3-point shot! Wala.
Ayan na!
Ayaw bumitaw.
Ayaw!
Quotient.
Until you guys
2 points for Arlo para di nakakaya yung score. End of ball game, 76-89. Winner for the Battle for Third, also known as the Ezo Cup, is Team Sunny. Team picture. Wala kayo mag-compete doon. Team picture, Team Sunny. Para makapag-warm up na ako.
Niluluto mo eh. Porket bossing mo eh. Niluluto mo eh.
Best player of the game, jersey number 6, Ferdy Babalan, with 27 points, 6 rebounds, and 3 assists.
The Ezo Cup MVP, Ferdy. Walang nakaba-kaba. 3. Sunny, team nyo kailangan statsman Arlo, statsman. Commentator na matino, ayoko si Jet.
Buti!
You left me hanging.
Ba't yung camera nilabas mo tapos na? Ang daya nito. Battle for Third daw kayo, wala. Picture lang nila yung pinicturean.